So I recently got sent out this pet nail grinder, and today we're gonna do a really quick unboxing and test this out on my dog Cookie. I just said the word nail trim and my dog was already under the couch, so hopefully this gives her a better experience with her nail trimming. Let's go ahead and cut to the unboxing. So the packaging is actually really nice. It just opens up like a book. We have 2 replacement grinders right there. We get our user guide. They even supplied us a cable, which is really nice of them. And then here is the grinder. It's not too big. And here is the actual grinder on the end. Let's see if it came with any charge, and indeed it did. And we even have a flashlight on the end that should hopefully be able to allow you to see the quick a little easier. And we could even change the speeds, and that is the fastest speed. So pretty simple machine to use. It's very easy to grip. And then this little cap does come off as well. Anyways, let's go ahead and do a little bit more research on this tool, and then we're gonna actually try it out and see how my dog reacts. So we're actually gonna keep this on. If you guys have a very large dog with large nails, you guys can keep the guard off. But if you guys have a small dog, we have different notches on the sides and then even a medium notch on the side. So we're gonna use the medium for our 50-pound dog. So we're actually gonna stay on the slowest mode and we're gonna turn on that light. I think that should help us. Just kind of like going up. All right guys, so just for practicing, we just did a little bit on these 2 nails here, but you could see just how well it was able to trim. I did a lot less on this nail, but just to give you guys an idea of what the before was, her nails were like that. So it definitely did a pretty good job. And most importantly, my dog was not really scared of this thing. She seemed to be pretty used to it, and she seemed to like it a little bit more than a normal trimmer. So anyways, that's it for my super quick unboxing and demo.